Hi everyone, Letty here from Party Planner Papery. Welcome to hashtag N2S February 24. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the box of the month from Not Too Shabby Shop, and we'll make some rainbow cards. So welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Now today I'm featuring the February 2024 box of the month, which comes with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, and 3 stamp sets. Jamie also throws in some freebies. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this kit. The first paper pad is called Sweet Little Bird. It is 6x6. You get 12 designs, 24 total sheets. These are double-sided sheets of paper. Really cute, lots of birds and little bird houses, really fun spring colors on this one. So Sweet Little Bird. Now you also do have a coordinating ephemera pack, and it's also called Sweet Little Birds. Now here is a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. Really cute, lots of really cute birds and bird houses and florals. Really fun prints for spring. Then you've got Tweet. That's the next 6x6 paper pad. Again, it's 12 designs, 24 double-sided sheets, lots of pastels, and again, really fun spring colors on this one. So this one's going to be your perfect spring collection to start your spring crafting. Again, it's called Tweet. Really fun images there. And then this one also does have a coordinating ephemera pack. It is also called Tweet. So really fun spring images. Again, there's the name Tweet. And then so here is a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. So you have some birds and greenery and florals, rainbows, really fun pastel patterns. We do have 3 stamp sets in this box of the month. So we have the one that's called So Tweet. This is this stamp set. You've got some really fun little birds and frames and birdhouses, music notes, some sentiments, really cute, some hearts and floral images. So this one's again called So Tweet. And then the second stamp set is called Rainbow Notes. And this is one that has a really cute like bookmark kind of thing with some sentiments that will fit inside of the little larger image. You've got lots of rainbows on this one and clouds and hearts, some fun sentiments that can work on several different, card projects or options. Then you have Boho Rainbow Builder. And so that's this last stamp set. And you have basically everything you need to make a few different designs of rainbows. And you can build them with some different colors, and you've got some fun sentiments to go along with those rainbow images. So this one again, Boho Rainbow Builder. So this was the February 2024 box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. And Jamie also does throw in some freebies. She did throw in some enamel dots and a lollipop in this kit to this month. So these are the items. I do have a website affiliate link. I'll link down below for you. So today, I'm from the box of the month. I did pull out these 3 main items. I've got both paper pads, Tweet and then Sweet Little Bird. And then I also did bring in the Boho Rainbow Builder stamp set. I went ahead and off camera, I've used that Rainbow Builder, and I've made some little sentiments that are going to go on my cards that already have my rainbow built out. I did bring in some glossy accents just to make some of the areas shine. So basically what I did was I die cut some white circles. I started with the larger outer area, then I went into that dot row, the layer, and then I did do the middle layer of the rainbow, then this little star layer, and then the final inside layer. And then I also did bring in that little heart that you see right there. And then I finish it off with this "You Are Awesome" and sentiment at the very bottom of my rainbow little builder there. So that is the sentiment I'm going to use for my cards today. My project is some rainbow cards. So I made it super easy today. I've cut down my paper. I've already made a few cards off camera. We are going to make the last one on camera today. I also am trying to use up these pre-store-bought card bases from my stash, so I did use those. I have everything that will make one card. I have the paper panels. I have my little rainbow sentiment. For my panels, I have 2 smaller ones that are 1 inch by 5 1/4. So I've got 2 of those. And then the larger one is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. My white die cut circle is about 3 inches wide, just so I could fit all of the larger rainbow on here. And I have mix and match my patterns. Since this is double-sided paper, very easy to do so. And I brought in a couple different patterns from my main paper. And again, we're using these pre-store-bought card bases. So I've got my 3 panels here and my sentiment. I'm just going to finish assembling this on camera. And so what I'm doing is I have my panels. I'm going to start with the larger one. Now, for the previous cards that I had done, I did use the B side of this just because I wanted the shine of this card to be that rainbow on the front. And so I did not want the birds, even though they're so super cute, I did not want them to distract from the rainbow. So I'm flipping it around. I like the bold pink color of this pattern. So I'm going to layer that one first, and I'm doing it in a way that I'm going to leave a 1/8 border all the way around. What I find easiest is to then do the other opposite side panel paper. So I'm using the one that's on the far left, and I'm going to place it down, again leaving a 1/8 border all the way around. Then what I'll do is I'll finish it off by adding this middle panel right in the middle between the other two. This will help me make sure that my spacing is even between the left and the right panels, just like this. And so this is one of the easiest card fronts panels to make, and then you can just top it off with some sentiments or ephemera. In this case, I use the stamp builder, the boho rainbow builder, and I stamped out that rainbow and then added my sentiment at the very bottom, and that is basically going to call it a card. That was such an easy card. Let's do a quick recap. So to recap, today I used the February 2024 box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. Came with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, 3 stamp sets, and Jamie did throw in some freebies. This is the Not Too Shabby logo. And so my project today was just some super easy rainbow cards. I had pre-stamped out my little rainbow builder. I added a sentiment, and then I cut down my panels, a 1 inch, a 1 inch, and then a 1 3/4 inch by 5 1/4. So I have a couple different designs here. That's the first one. And then I have the second one where I use this really cute rainbow pattern. Since I was already showcasing rainbows, I thought that would just be super cute. And so those were the 6 cards that I made today. Those are my rainbow cards. And again, these are using the February 2024 box of the month from Not Too Shabby, which is still available. You'll want to check it out. Make sure you hop on over and pick that up. You can also check out the hashtag N2S February 24 to get more inspiration from the entire design team from Not Too Shabby shop for this month, using all of the new subscription products, which are the box of the month, the stamp and die set, and the paper pad club. Thanks so much for watching. As always, happy crafting.